reset that. I don't know that it's going to be anything to do. Let's take a look at the Qs this morning. Very sideways. Tight ranges. You know, this looks like something big. This is 18 cents, guys, or 13 cents between here and the VWAP, in something that's trading nearly $200. That's nothing. It looks dramatic. It's not. Square was setting up for us to the upside, and it has come back down. We've extended our losses by about 10 basis points. Apple, like we said, was setting up. Here's what I'm looking at. We're looking at this swing breakout here. Remember, we got the ATR below, we got the channel moving up, and we got the hull moving up. Now we have to wait here, and at the 9 o'clock hour we can decide what we want to do. But that's the really only position thing that caught our eye. Yeah, so Apple is continuing to rally. It is setting up for a zone as well. DMI is not exactly where I'd want it to be.